So since the price of Bitcoin has started to show a reversal after testing the support around 0.5, 0.618 Fibonacci line, will this bullish continuation play out? Because yesterday when I was talking about this formation, right, this right shoulder formation or inverse head and shoulder formation, many were completely against it. I mean, I was showing you that please wait until 60,000 support gets broken before looking for any short opportunity. Otherwise, it could turn out into a fake out when price after some sideways movement, price after some weakness could show another reversal here to the upside. And if you look at this price action right now, you can see, guys, this inverse head and shoulder scenario looks like playing out. This ABCD reversal pattern looks like playing out. This falling wedge scenario looks like playing out along with this falling channel pattern. Now, will this scenario continue or is it still going to fake out? Today in this video, we are going to find that out. But before I do that, I want you guys to do me a favor and quickly destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, like always, if you haven't claimed this free 200 USDT futures position airdrop from Bybit, then I suggest you guys to check the video description, because Bybit right now is giving free 200 USDT futures position airdrop, either Bitcoin USDT position, Ethereum USDT position, or Solana USDT position. All the links are in the description down below. Feel free to check it out. Feel free to grab this opportunity. Now, what I want you guys to do is to look at this inverse head and shoulder type of formation, which I showed you on my previous video. I was very clear, 60,000 or above 60,000, we have strong line of support line for Bitcoin. So this might be turning out into a fake out, price forming a right shoulder before heading towards this neckline. And if you look at this price action right now, this does looks like formation of a right shoulder. So if the price remains above 62,000, or let's say in between this 0.5, 0.618 Fibonacci line, there is a very, very high possibility of price showing a move like this, right? Some sideways movement and then slowly getting attracted around this neckline, because we know once we get attracted around this neckline, which in the past price action rejected us a couple of times, right? You can see we are expecting this move to break out. Yes, guys, if we are going to see another continuation towards this neckline around 64,500, 64,600, there is a very high possibility of price not just only testing it, but breaking above it like this, because we know the price objective from this inverse head and shoulder, if it's going to play out, you can see this above 73,000. So that is another reason why we need the price of Bitcoin in the medium short term to remain above 60,000 or 62,000, or let's say in between 0.5, 0.618 Fibonacci. And not just only this one, even according to these Fibonacci levels, we found out if we are going to remain above this 0.5, 0.61 Fibonacci line, this will be looked as a bullish continuation pattern. I mean, price testing the support around this 0.5, 0.61 Fibonacci line before starting with another impulsive move. And why impulsive move? Because I showed you this here could be an A, B, C, D reversal pattern. A, right? B, C, and D reversal pattern, and this point D is the 100% Fibonacci extension from this low till this high. So that's why, according to this ABCD reversal pattern, you can see, guys, this 70,000 is on the line. Yes, remaining above 60,000 means this 70,000 might be attracting us before choosing an actual trend duration like this. So that's why, guys, that's why price has started to show bullish move after testing the support in between 62,000, or let's say after testing the support in between 0.5, 0.618 Fibonacci line. And parallelly, right, parallelly things are also looking interesting. I mean, this here was a rejection, right? Price failed to break above this trend line, which resulted in RSI line going below 50. But now, second attempt, if it manages to remain over 60,000, this here could be breaking out very, very soon, because beside the RSI line, you can see beside the RSI line, MACD has already started to turn bullish. TTCCI indicator has reappeared in a positive territory. So this is definitely a good sign, and also indication once we see RSI line properly closing above 50, this is going to result in another continuation here to the upside, also resulting in a bullish crossover here now, Williams alligator indicator, because we know price remaining above 62,000 means it was also a retest from this falling wedge. Falling wedge is a bullish continuation pattern, and the line which previously acted as resistance, you can see this trend line, the upper trend line from this falling wedge which previously acted as a resistance, acted as support around 62,000. So if the price in the medium short term remains above this trend line, we are expecting another continuation like this to play out, right? More sideways movement before breaking here to the upside around 70,000 before we choose an actual trend duration. And why around that area? Because that's also the price objective, or let's say the first price objective from this falling channel. It is over 70,000, which is even better, right? But we are expecting 70,000 to attract us if the price remains over 62,000, because in that case we will be also forming this falling channel pattern or a bull flag type of formation. Yes, you heard that correctly, guys. Remaining above 62,000 could result in another bullish continuation like this, and also could continue with this 1, 2, 3 reversal pattern. I mean, I showed you this on my previous video as well, but it was faking out. It was clearly faking out, but if you look at it carefully, you can see we have perfectly tested the previous temporary raise line and started showing bullish move. Now, if we remain above this 62,000, then you can see even this 1, 2, 3 reversal pattern will play out. So that's why once the price breaks above, once the price gets attracted on the 64,500, 64,600, I want you guys to be careful. Careful, because that line has previously acted as resistance. That's also the neckline from this inverse head and shoulder, right? Which might be attracting us in the medium short term. So if we flip that into proper support, you know, guys, it is also going to continue like this, just like as shown here in an example. I mean, price after breaking the 0.2, which is the neckline from this inverse head and shoulder as well, right? It is going to result in another continuation here like this, because we know remaining above 62,000 means the price is also above the bottom CPI line, and finding support above the bottom CPI line is actually very bullish. So that is another reason remaining above 62,000 could result in another continuation, with first price objective from this monthly arrow line around 69,200 and even up to add to line, which is 77,000, forming a new all-time high. Yes, guys, price remaining above 62,000 means there is a very, very high possibility of making a new all-time high. So that's why, guys, in case of doubt, I suggest you guys to simply zoom out. So these were some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please, guys, do not hesitate to destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button. And also a friendly reminder, if you haven't claimed this free 200 USDT futures position airdrop from Bybit, then I suggest you guys to check the video description, because Bybit right now is providing 30,000 free bonus. Additionally, $200 futures airdrop, either Bitcoin USDT position airdrop, Ethereum USDT position airdrop, or Solana USDT position airdrop. Please feel free to check it out. Feel free to grab this opportunity. And by saying this, I'm signing out. Until next time, bye-bye.